Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the coolest and most exciting gadgets you can get your hands on right now. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 22. Black Shark Earbuds. Experience immersive sound like never before with the Black Shark T11 earbuds. These true wireless earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.3 for ultra-stable connections and come with active noise cancellation so you can block out distractions and enjoy pure audio bliss. With up to 30 hours of battery life, you can binge music, gaming sessions, or calls without interruption. Plus, they come with stylish RGB lighting effects that sync to your vibe. And don't worry about durability, they're waterproof, making them perfect for everyday adventures. Number 21. MACHENIKE Keyboard. Meet the KT68 Pro Smart Screen Mechanical Keyboard. This isn't just a typing tool, it's a complete experience. Featuring a 9.1-inch smart dot matrix screen, you can customize it to create the perfect atmosphere for gaming or work. The keyboard supports triple mode connectivity with 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and USB-C wired options. Its hot swappable switches let you tailor the feel to your liking, while a double-layer silicone pad reduces unwanted noise. Add in dynamic 16.8 million RGB backlighting with transparent keycaps, and you've got a visually stunning upgrade for your desk. Number 20. USB Fingerprint Reader. Add a new layer of security with the USB Fingerprint Reader module. Compatible with Windows 7, 10, and 11. This compact device provides biometric security at lightning speed, recognizing fingerprints in just 0.3 seconds. Made of durable zinc alloy, it supports up to 10 different fingerprints and has a false recognition rate of less than 0.002%. Whether it's unlocking your laptop or enhancing your PC security, this scanner is the modern solution you need. Number 19. KINSCOTER Diffuser. Transform your space with the KINSCOTER Volcanic Aroma Diffuser. This essential oil lamp doubles as a USB-powered humidifier with a realistic flame effect. Choose from 7 color variations to create a cozy nightlight while enjoying ultrasonic humidification that produces a fine mist. It's whisper quiet, ensuring a peaceful environment, and comes with an auto shut-off function for safety. Whether at home or traveling, this diffuser brings relaxation wherever you are. Number 18. Mini Smart Clock. Add a touch of fun and functionality to your desktop with the Mini Smart Wi-Fi Weather Forecast Station Clock. Its ultra-compact design packs plenty of features, including DIY GIF animations, customizable electronic albums, and even a Wi-Fi-enabled 3-day weather forecast. It's a quirky, yet powerful way to personalize your workspace while keeping informed. Number 17. Hover Air X1. Take your photography to the next level with the Hover Air X1 self-flying camera. This pocket-sized drone is equipped with HDR video capture, intelligent flight paths, and a palm takeoff function. Whether you're filming outdoor adventures or creating content for social media, it follows you effortlessly, making every shot look cinematic. Number 16. UGREEN Smart Tag. Never lose your essentials again with the UGREEN Smart Tag. Built for iOS, it works seamlessly with Apple's Find My app. The ultra-loud alarm ensures you'll find misplaced items instantly, while the long-lasting 24-month battery keeps you covered for years. Shareable with up to 5 friends or family members, this durable smart tag is a must-have for keeping track of what matters. Number 15. Multi-Screwdriver Kit. Repair your phone with confidence using the 5-in-1 Multi-Screwdriver Repair Kit. Designed for iPhones, Huawei, Xiaomi, and more, this kit comes with high-quality chrome vanadium alloy steel tools. With comfortable non-slip handles, it allows precise and safe phone disassembly, making repairs easier than ever. Number 14. Crimper Cutter Tool. The Crimper Cable Cutter is your all-in-one stripping and crimping solution. Built from high-quality alloy steel with heat treatment, it ensures sharp and durable performance. Featuring a comfortable PVC-coated handle and a precise stripping design, this tool makes electrical work more efficient and reliable. Number 13. Voltage Detector Pen. Stay safe with the intelligent induction voltage detector pen, capable of testing circuits from 6 to 250 volts. This compact tool doubles as a screwdriver and indicator, helping you quickly and easily identify live wires and ensure safe electrical work. Number 12. Professional Trowel. Craft with precision using the 6 to 9 inch carbon steel plaster trowel. Designed for durability, it features a pointed blade and ergonomic handle, making it perfect for plastering, bricklaying, and tiling projects. Number 11. Electric Chainsaw. Tackle wood cutting effortlessly with the 20V lithium battery electric chainsaw. Weighing just 3.6 kilograms, it delivers portability and power with a 15-centimeter blade and 100mm cutting capacity. With a fast-charging lithium battery and oil tank, it's perfect for home gardens and DIY projects. Number 10. ARROWMAX Drill. Unleash your creativity with the SDS Ultra Electric Drill. Ideal for crafts, wood, plastic, aluminum, coins, and more. This cordless drill is lightweight yet powerful. It's an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts, offering precision without the bulk of traditional drills. Number 9. Ralcam Endoscope. Inspect hard-to-reach spaces with the Ralcam 1080p endoscope. Featuring a 4.3-inch HD display, joystick control, and 6 LED lights, this tool makes car and pipe inspections easy and effective. Its 2600 mAh battery gives up to 4 hours of operation. Number 8. High-pressure washer. Blast away dirt with the 3500W electric high-pressure washer. Featuring a brushless motor and 200 bar pressure, it's perfect for cleaning cars, gardens, and outdoor surfaces. The cordless design, with a massive 15,000 mAh battery, ensures long-lasting power and flexibility. Number 7. Stair Climbing Trolley. Move heavy loads with ease using the electric stair climbing trolley. With a 180 kilogram loading capacity, foldable design, and aluminum alloy construction, it makes transporting items upstairs safer and more efficient. Number 6. Adjustable Arc Scraper. Perfect your walls with the Adjustable Arc Scraper. This multifunctional tool adapts to different angles, making plastering, puttying, and finishing jobs smoother and more professional. Number 5. Airbrush Kit. Unlock your artistic side with the NT19 Dual Action Airbrush Kit. From model making to cake decorating, this set includes everything you need: compressor, airbrush, hose, and holder. The dual action trigger provides precision and efficiency, making it a must-have for hobbyists. Number 4. Wire Twisting Pliers. Get professional results with the Safety Wire Twisting Pliers. Made of high-carbon steel, these pliers twist wires quickly and securely, making them ideal for automotive, aircraft, and machinery applications. Number 3. Foldable Wire Stripper. Save time with the multifunctional foldable wire stripper. Designed for electricians and DIYers, it offers stripping, cutting, crimping, and more, all in one compact tool. Number 2. Electric Suction Cup. Handle glass and tiles with confidence using the electric vacuum suction cup. With a 200 kilogram bearing capacity and built-in air pump, it's strong, reliable, and perfect for construction or industrial tasks. Number 1. Creality 3D Scanner. Bring your creations to life with the Creality Raptor CR Scan 3D Scanner. With an incredible 0.02mm accuracy and 60 FPS scanning speed, it captures even the finest details. Offering versatile scanning modes and USB-C connectivity, it's the ultimate tool for designers, makers, and innovators. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.